Welcome to another edition of Scott's Man Cave. Today we're going to talk about tire pressure. Now this is my dragster that I run, and currently set up in it is a iron block 565, makes about 1200 horsepower. With this particular car, I run a 33.5 17/16 Hoosier, and I do run a lot of air pressure, so there's going to be a lot of controversy over this, I'm sure, but this is what works for me in my race program. I run 7 pounds of air in this tire. And I know a lot of people will say that's way too much, but if you look at the tire, it tells on itself. The contact patch that I use that runs on this car is from here to here, so I use almost the entire tire when I run down the racetrack. Now, if you have too little of air pressure, you'll actually start seeing them wear over here on the sides, and you'll be able to see it in the tread depth holes, as it would be. They'll be shallower on the outside, and that's not enough air pressure in the tire. Now on a door car, like this is my Jerry Haas built car, I do bracket race it and run some different classes with it, but in this car I run a 33 16 15 on it. It's a Hoosier, and I actually run 8.5 pounds of air in this car, and the current setup is an all aluminum small block, and this car weighs 1,808 pounds with me in it, but I run 8.5 pounds of air pressure in it. Now this car is easy to tell on the air pressure. Is when you look in the wheel tubs, you'll actually see in the wheel tubs 2 heavy black marks on the outsides and light in the middle. That's the car telling you it needs more air pressure. Because if you think about it, when the car's running down the racetrack, it's the same as in the burnout, because in the burnout the tire's at full growth, and that's what's leaving those marks in your wheel tub. Well, that's what the racetrack is seeing too when you're running down the track, is not hardly much contact in the middle, but just contact on the outsides. And you'll be able to read that in the tire, because you'll notice it'll be wearing more on the outsides. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe.